And as I repeat that quote from Brother Panic, it again reminds me of the importance of coming up with my own self-realization. You know what I'm saying? That's the challenge. My own self-realization. That's the challenge. Not being satisfied with having the ability to repeat shit from books all the time and repeating shit from, like, you know what I'm saying, like your favorite lecturers and your favorite scholars and teachers. You want to become tired of that bullshit. You want to have your own self-realization for your own journey, for your own work. So you don't have to depend on no one. So you're not sitting back waiting on anybody's fucking videos. You understand what I'm saying? Because you don't need that shit. You're not looking for anybody's shit. You like, I got my own shit. I'm ill in my own right. You understand? And I would use whatever I need to use for my own fucking purpose. That this shit is a journey, not a destination. So if I die and I use your light to get out of this reality, just know that that's a pit stop. Have that mentality now. You understand what I'm saying? That if I have to use another light to get out of this reality, out of this prison, this human prison, just say from a Bobby Hemmett who has a light that you can pull on once you leave this place, like Brother Panic said, Brother Panic, I feel, you know, a Wayne Chandler, whoever the fuck. Have the mentality of knowing that you have the ability to have your own shit. That even if you pull on that light, that even that shit is not permanent. That you have the goal of having your own universe, your own motherfucking reality. Fuck being a part of anybody else's shit. Have that confidence. Fuck being a follower. Those days are long gone. That following bullshit, that congregation bullshit, them tithes and offerings bullshit, you know, like all that shit, like all that preacher shit. You understand what I'm saying? Fuck that. Recognize that these niggas is talking, that these niggas are basically making videos and they're basically like offering their opinion about an argument. But realize that that's not really changing shit. It's the same shit over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Shit is not changing. Just because they can point out a problem that's going on in society, do not make these niggas fucking smart. That's a fact. I can sit here and point out a million problems all over the fucking place. I can sit here and I can talk about problems in the school system, and I can sit here and I can talk about problems in the medical field, problems in agriculture, all those shit. I can sit here and I can create intellectual arguments about that shit. But where is that getting us? I mean, you have to start holding niggas to a higher standard. Like, okay, nigga, just because you smart enough to speak on a subject, nigga. Like, all right, nigga, what else is there, nigga? What else is there? You're talking about shit that is a part of the overall flaw, which is humanity. That's what you're talking about. You're not talking about anything that is about coming up with ways that's gonna, let's just say, eradicate the system in its entirety. You're not talking about that shit. All you're doing is talking about the argument and then your opinion on it and why niggas should be scared, why niggas should be worried. White supremacy is doing this. I'm telling you, white supremacy is doing this, y'all. You understand what I'm saying? Why is that shit so important that you feel a need to constantly point out the obvious? You understand what I'm saying? Instead of using your platform to encourage niggas to be in their own mind so they know how to actually properly you know, like direct their energy like any more efficient manner. Like ignore motherfuckers. You understand what I'm saying? Like that's a very efficient way to use my energy. From the comfort of my home, I can sit here with my legs crossed and just say, I don't really want to shop with you motherfuckers. How about when y'all when y'all get some other shit in order to where shit can never go wrong again? You dig what I'm saying? When y'all can guarantee shit can never possibly go wrong again, which is basically impossible. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not fucking with y'all. That's when y'all gonna see this reality change. When you begin to be able to say, you know what? All right, I ain't fucking with y'all no more. I'm not working with y'all no more. I'm not showing up to your fucking office. I'm not flipping your burgers. You dig what I'm saying? I'm not shopping with you motherfuckers anymore because I don't like the conditions in which I am shopping in. I think this shit is fucking stupid. In fact, I think shit is too fucking expensive. So what I'm going to do is just ignore you motherfuckers. No, I don't need you guys to change the economic system. I don't give a fuck what you do. I'm just not fucking with y'all no more. And then you would see. So see, that's what I'm saying. Something so such as simple as that is it's you know too easy for niggas. You know, niggas is too caught up in the complexity of things. But really, it's just all about making a simple decision. A basic decision. By learning how to direct your emotions, basically by saying, I'm not gonna argue with you niggas. I'm just not gonna fuck with you niggas. How about that? And I'm sitting here, I'm not, you know, yelling and screaming and you know what I'm saying, out of my fucking loop. I'm not sitting here crying and you know what I'm saying, my feelings is hurt. I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm just not fucking with y'all. You know, I'm just not gonna deal with you anymore. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to be all out trying to convince niggas. You just need to convince yourself and watch this shit change. Watch this shit change. It would change and it would change at that moment. It won't have to be 30 years from now. It would change immediately. And it won't even change. It's not even about changing for the masses. It would change for yourself. I can say for myself, just by the mere fact that I'm you know, like my life is fucking gravy. I just be chilling. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. What else is there to do? What else is there to do? I don't care to interject myself in none of the bullshit. I'm more concerned about like basically like just cultivating that, you know, that light that's within. You know what I'm saying? I don't know no fancy way of putting this shit. Just whatever my purpose is on being here, reflecting that light. You know what I'm saying? What I'm doing right motherfucking now. You know what I'm saying? Talking to motherfuckers who already know. You know what I'm saying? Talking to motherfuckers who truly, really want to know. Who is not satisfied with the results that they've been getting based on this human shit. They're like, all right, I need some new results because this human shit ain't fucking working. I'm fucked up. I'm stressed out. My health is bad. You know what I'm saying? I allow my fears to affect how I fuck with people. You know what I'm saying? People don't fucking like me because I'm fucked up. You understand what I'm saying? When that person gets to that point when they can start to analyze that, it can only go up from there. It can only go up from there. It's hard getting to that point because everybody wants to see themselves in that perfect light. They want to see themselves in that perfect fucking light.